Today is Jan 24th, which is my birthday, and this is how my day starts. Have a slight cold, slight night. Acha kasa cold hai, but today it's much better. Last night I had a lot of trouble sleeping. It's getting better. No, it is not COVID. It is not at all that. I have my taste senses. I have my smell senses. Everything is good. Rohit is calling me. Hey, what's up, bro? Thank you. Not much plans today. Maybe a small dinner with family. I don't think I'll be meeting friends and all that. For now, let me get into this. Feels much better. Oh, I want to give the intro, right? What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Hello, I hope everyone is doing great. Unlike me. Yes, current situation of my room, top shot is like this. I'm sleeping here since the last couple of days, at least 3-4 days, because I told you, right, I started feeling this cold and Pooja switches on the AC, which is not good for this kind of situation. Should be back to normal in the next 2 days max. Till then, bear with me, okay? Energy will be a little bit low, but it's my birthday, so I have to be a little bit energetic. I'll try to be. Hello. 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 Okay, chalo, let's cut the cake. Cake cut. Come. Chalo, that is the cake. Thanks to Pooja, she ordered it from Swiggy. In the last 30 plus years, this is the first birthday. I'm feeling a little bit sick. That's okay. Sometimes a little bit different birthday.
Come, Dad.
I think this is the first time I'm cutting a cake at this hour. 1:20 in the afternoon.
Nice to see you.
Happy birthday. The personal day and the chinna cake.
Then Diet King. What to do?
Diet. Anyways, I'm not having. Even for birthday, we are very strict.
1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Coming back. Happy birthday to you. थोड़ा दम लगा के कर. कदम. Hey, nice to see. Happy birthday, Papa. At least थोड़ा खा ले.
हाँ थोड़ा just
Birthday excuse
Mom,
me.
I'll give
Little
you
bit, like very little.
Zishan won't say anything.
Bread part, वो भी. Don't give me cream, रे.
Happy birthday.
birthday to my son.
Nana.
Happy
birthday to you.
Animated graphics.
Happy birthday, पोरागा.
कुछ नहीं होता एक दिन में.
But आप है तो आप है.
She is not interested. But we can
You know,
put
my
on a
first
cheese.
word was cake. Nisha's first word is flower.
Power.
How's the cake? How's the cake? Somehow Nisha doesn't like cakes. She doesn't like sweet much.
She likes cake. She's not in a mood. अभी दही चावल खिलाया ना. उसका पेट भरा है.
So what is the plan today? Head out in the evening for dinner. Evening में अभी तो time is just 1 o'clock. Maybe around 5:30, 6 o'clock. 7
After
o'clock.
7. Shoot, sorry. After.
I'm gonna treat you. No, actually different. You people treat me. No, this time every time I'm only treating you guys.
You know what the plan is later.
That
You know whose birthday is
Oh
coming?
yes, next is Pooja's birthday. We're gonna get a big treat.
I'll give her my birthday.
In spite of telling so many times, my subscribers, you guys, I know you have so much love towards me. You came to my house. అంతేనా అక్కడనేనా లోపల రాదా come in in spite of telling so many times, you people end up coming to my house. Thank you so much. It's my birthday, so one day I'm okay you people coming, but please guys, people are there at home, so they're already giving me complaints. Feels really good, no doubt about that. Only thing is I'm not alone here, right? That is the only thing. Okay, anyways, it's my birthday, so thanks for coming. And I have COVID. Are you people fine?
Yeah,
I have
sure.
COVID.
I'm using sanitizer.
No, but I'm having COVID.
Not at all. Not a problem.
I'm having COVID.
Not a problem.
Okay, it's not COVID. I have cold. I have a severe cold. That's it, not COVID. Okay. Don't know. Yeah, click. You are there in the vlog. What selfie? ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తారు అందరు?
నేను రామ్నగర్ కరీంనగర్.
కరీంనగర్. Doesn't matter if it's my birthday or not. We need to have oats at 5:30 every single day. Okay? Chalo, start hunting. pick up all this stuff and throw everywhere. Hunting started. There you go. This is what she does every day in the evening. Arriba. What are you trying to find? Oh, Naishu, what did you do? Mama is gonna scold you. Mama is gonna scold you. पूरा मिल्क बर्बाद पక్కన పెట్టు నాకు బాగా పని పెట్టు चल go go no चलो go birthday के दिन this is what I'm doing because of you Naisha is ready. Oh, new clothes. Nice, very nice. Show your clothes. Show your frock. Get up and show. Get up, stand. Oh yes. Oh, nice, no, Naisha. Very nice. Excellent, looking very nice. But the birthday boy should look good, right? Let me get ready. And I'm feeling, I'll not say it again, but it's feeling a little bit sick, but doesn't matter, it's okay. Let's get back. Let's get a little bit energetic. Let's get ready, at least for the birthday. I think I want to wear a proper formal shirt. It's a formal dinner. But how will I change like this? No. Sriman has to do it in the Sriman Kotaru style. Ready? 3, 2.
Tayesh, no?
Yeah. She loves that. She loves that medicine. That.
You want so much goody.
पूरा हो गया चुप almost.
Happy birthday, Jepna. Papa ki. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Oh yes, Mama is wearing her shoes. This has to be vlogged.
Why? Oh yeah, I
Because you
don't
said-
like these.
Because you said your shoes are very special.
They're not special.
You
खराब
said
हो
you want a
जाएंगे.
picture, a full picture of it,
Not
of your shoe.
Not of the shoe. ऐसे ही बाबा, generally बोला मैंने.
Neither, Mama.
These are called stilettos, no?
No, I cannot wear stilettos. They block you. Stilettos, I cannot walk like those awesome women. I can't.
What
do
are
it.
these called? Wedges.
No, these are called block heels.
Chappal.
Chappal ka block heels.
No?
Block heels.
Block heels.
You know why block?
రకరకాల పేర్లు పెట్టి అమ్మేస్తున్నారు.
Papa చూడు. హాయ్ చ మాస్క్ వేసుకున్నావు
Where's your mask?
బాబు చూపి
She will own it.
బయటకి వెళ్తా మాస్క్
I should put it back.
ఉండు కళ్ళ మీదకి వెళ్ళి చిన్నది ఉన్నది వేరే చోటా వాళ్ళ
The yellow one.
ఇది క్లోజ్ ఉంది నాన్న పెద్దది
Oh, nahi pehenti. I have yellow one.
జస్ట్ గివ్ వేరే
Lights off now.
అరే
Papa should go again.
Girls have all this wedges, stilettos, high heels, short heels,
High
flats,
heels, heels नहीं होता. Flat heels होता. Flats होता.
flats or wedges.
Stilettos,
Stilettos.
wedges, platforms.
हमारा तो एक ही है, whether it's my birthday, whether it's New Year, whether it's Diwali.
झूठ मत बोल. इतने सारे झूठ का कलेक्शन है तेरा. झूठ मत
But
बोल.
every day I wear the same shoe.
आंटी मेरा स्टोल दे दो. मेरा स्टोल दे दो. देखो प्लीज मम्मा का स्टोल दे दो बेबी. नहीं देना. What is that?
Nice, let's go party.
Thank you.
Party
thank
time. The Papa's
What did
birthday
you
party.
say? Party time. What is party time?
Not party time, the party time.
I heard this power है कि क्या बोल रहे हैं. Be honest.
And just I'm not forgetting anything, we have to definitely take HD glares. Full formal shirt, formal pant, not formal pant, but jeans. Looking good, right? And not taking the Kia today. Oh yes, not taking the Kia today. We are taking the Verna. Finally, after a long time, I'm not gonna drive it because I'm feeling sick. Actually, I can drive, but Dad said he will drive today. Today it's leave for birthday boy. Came to the Kia to take my mask. Where's my mask, dude? Very important, chewing gum. And much more important, mask. Man, it's been so long since I've seen the Verna.
I'll take her, Pooja.
Take. Your wish. Mom, you ready?
And I said today we're taking the Verna. Hope both of you are fine.
No, today mom is taking on sitting. Today I sit with you, you're the birthday boy, no? So.
Thank you. Na COVID undi mar mee ishtam. Another 2 subscribers. Today morning also a couple of subscribers came. I told you guys not to come.
డిస్టర్బ్ చేయొద్దు అనుకున్నా ఇక అందుకే
పుట్టిగా జోక్ ఇస్తున్నా. ఇట్స్ ఓకే, నా బర్త్డే కదా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే
మీ ఇంట్లో
ఇవ్వు.
వాట్సాప్ గైస్ కేసు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
ఫేస్ చూపించండి. మాస్క్
వాట్సాప్ గైస్ కేసు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Hope everyone is doing
great.
I'm not doing that great. Should be fine in a day or 2. Chalo, bye. Thanks for coming.
BMW 250.
వద్దురా, ఖర్చులు ఎక్కువ అవుతున్నాయి. మీరు కొంచెం ఏమన్నా డబ్బులు ఇస్తే
అన్న ప్లాంట్
ఆ?
ఈ పేరు పైన ఒక ప్లాంట్
చేసావా? వెరీ గుడ్. It feels so good to sit in the Verna after a long time, literally after 3 months.
Yeah.
I forgot this car exists.
Even I got used to that car actually. Even I forgot about the word.
Actually, she was asking when we got into this car now, are we going in this car?
Yeah, I
I
asked.
said we will go in that car. I said no way. I want to go in this car. My car, small car, tiger car, beautiful car, red.
Oh, Dad decided that this is his car. That means Kia is hamara.
My car.
Kia to Naisha decided it's her car. Now to she says Kia, hi Kia every day. Kia को अच्छा promotion मिला था.
Oh, today is Sunday. Vegetable market full on swing में चल रहा.
It's closed. Why only Tata आराम से?
Yeah.
We're going to miss Suju. What?
You said turn on the camera.
I didn't say turn on the camera. I said chal, ऐसे बैठेंगे. It's fine, you know. You're not driving and I don't
This
have
is
Naisha.
different.
It's
Not different.
It
Once
feels very different.
once I sat like this piche, not in this car, in the Kia.
Oh.
But feels so different to sit behind when you're really used to driving all the time. The world looks very different from behind.
That's such a big statement.
Okay, so what is the plan? Where are we going?
We are going to Green Park.
We're going to.
I am going to treat them at a place called Marigold.
Yeah.
Chinese, Italian,
It's not called
continental.
Marigold. It's called in Marigold.
Mekong and
Which is
Marigold.
part of Green Park Hotel.
Whatever. As long as we get our chicken.
Mekong.
Mekong. All this is okay. I'm giving a party and all that. But where is my gift?
Acha.
Yeah, I'm giving you Mercedes Benz, man.
Mercedes Benz? Seriously? When?
I gave you accent on one birthday. I gave you what is that? Charisma on one birthday.
Mummy gave charisma, not
Yeah,
you.
mummy.
Papa కాదు, mummy ఇచ్చింది charisma. నాకు గుర్తు.
Mummy ఇచ్చిందా?
So that was 19 కాదు. 2008 I got the charisma. 2005 or 6 I got the accent. No, 2020 what gift am I getting? Mercedes.
Mercedes, yes.
I
are
thought you
getting
wanted
Mercedes.
something else.
This is surprising. This is interesting. Let's see.
Mercedes.
Okay.
దండం పెట్టుకో.
Wifey, where is my gift?
You know what you have? You have me.
ఈ డైలాగ్ బోర్
You said the
కొట్టేసినాయి.
same thing to me. After 5 days, you tell me the same thing. You have me,
బోర్
no baby.
కొట్టేసినాయి.
पाँच
You have
दिन बाद
me.
तू भी पाँच दिन
Cliche
बाद
dialogue.
पाँच दिन बाद तू भी मुझे वही बोलता.
I want something from you.
Yeah, tell me what you want. Whatever I can. What do you need from me? You can get anything you want. First you decide that
I should
something you want,
decide.
then I will
You should give me something which will surprise me. Like Dad said, Mercedes now. Okay. I remember. I told you that I love the Speed Twin. The Triumph Speed Twin. But
इतना पैसा नहीं है. मैं श्रीमंत
है.
बिचारू नहीं हूँ.
है,
इतना
उससे
नहीं
ज्यादा
कमाती
है.
मैं.
उससे ज्यादा
ये
है.
झूठा,
Only
उससे ज्यादा नहीं.
very successful woman. Only thing
I'm
is.
successful, yes, but I don't have enough money.
अरे चलो.
If you're successful, it doesn't mean you have so much money.
Speed Twin was my wish. I asked her once, give me the Speed Twin
Excuse
one
me,
day.
टाइगर मेरा ही है, तेरा ही है, मेरा ही, मेरे नाम पे तू चलाता है. तो
पैसा
तेरा
तो
gift-
मेरा है. All that is okay. But now I got this Street Twin and I'm happy with it, so no issues.
No,
but,
no,
but
now
still,
I think you want
I'm always
something
open for bikes, so you
I
can
know what you're
give me
hinting at.
another bike.
BMW.
BMW.
I know.
One is saying Mercedes, one is saying BMW. What is this? What's happening?
Yeah, you can dream. It's good to dream.
Dreamer.
It's good to dream.
Are you people dreaming?
Pooja Mishra wants a gift. BMW. Next
Oh, done.
year.
Next year. Okay, so finally you're saying you're not going to give me anything this time.
Of course I will.
What?
But not your BMW.
Arey, bike छोड़ो. It's
something
okay.
else.
छोटा क्यों? BMW at least toy.
We are not so rich.
Toy?
Okay, dad is saying.
for
Dad
nice
is
show
saying.
for you.
Oh, dad, Papa, मेरा अन्ना Mercedes car toy है हिंदी.
Scale
model.
If you want this, if you want that. I am ready for anything, man.
Toy
You
क्या
want
बोलना?
buy that?
Anything.
Could buy just
Yeah, you take the toy.
Toy
and
అంటే
you
ఇప్పుడే
can play with
ఇక్కడే ఇట్లనే పోయి సైడ్ లో అనుకుందాం రోడ్ మీద అమ్ముతారు అక్కడ What about mom?
I'm not earning anything.
Love, affection.
Dad is saying mom is giving full love, affection, all that everyone gives, all moms give, right? What's different from that? That is mandatory. That is
Somebody
that,
is in a
that is by
mood to
nature.
give.
That is evolution. You give love.
There are always exceptions.
I want to say something. Recently when I asked Shriman, what do you want? He said, what did you tell me?
What did I say?
I don't want anything and I don't think we should ask each other anything. We need to give each other more time.
Correct. Oh yes.
So what we decided is this year we'll give each other more time.
True. You
Because
got me at the-
last 2 years we've not been able to spend too much time since I was pregnant, then Naisha and all of that. So he's mostly gone out alone with his friends, and that's how he got married to Suju. And
Okay, Dad wants to reveal something about me. Secret, huh?
reveal.
See, is it a secret?
సీక్రెట్ ఏం లేదు నీకు కూడా
Normal.
తెలుసు అది
Normal.
What is it?
అది పొరగా నీకు గుర్తుందా
ఏంటి?
ఒకసారి నువ్వు గింతంత ఉండే చిన్న చెడ్డీ వేసుకున్నావు అక్క నువ్వు మమ్మీ నేను బజార్లో తిరుగుతున్నాం అక్కడ గల్ఫ్ కంట్రీలో పాపా నా బర్త్డే మై బర్త్డే టుమారో మై బర్త్డే అను అంటే ఏం కావాలరా అంటే సైకిల్ కావాలి నాకు సైకిల్ కావాలన్న గుర్తుందా
Cycle కాదు.
I know where these people are getting to.
ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ డ్రెస్ పోలీస్ డ్రెస్ అంటే తిరిగినాం ఎక్కడ దొరకలేదు ఎక్కడ దొరకకుండా ఏం చేసిన ఫైనలీ ఒక సాప కొనిచ్చిన మ్యాట్.
So basically, when I was like a kid, I think around maybe 6 or 7 years old, 5 years old it seems. So I was fascinated with this police dress, cops dress,
Inspector uniform.
inspector uniform, English correction,
Yeah,
By
cops
Pooja
dress
Mishra.
क्या होता है? What is dress?
inspector uniform. So they were not able to find it anywhere. We hunted for 1 hour it seems, and then finally they convinced me to get a sapa. Sapa and a mat, a normal mat, jute ka,
Oh my god.
and I was satisfied with it.
You are very happy. You played
Played
with
so much.
it. Every garden used to bring that.
Awesomeness, yeah. We'll give you a bigger sapa now. That's your gift. Now you get the biggest sapa. वो तेरा gift है.
We don't have Sapa.
अभी तू sapa ले और खुश रह.
Yeah, we have to buy now. We don't have.
Oh, Mercedes
वाह,
बोले
शादी.
तो सापा, पेद्दा सापा ना.
चुकू शादी चुकू.
He used to bring that and
Wow.
this is my sapa, my sapa.
Oh, शादी चल रहा है इधर somewhere.
Yeah, I love the शादी वाला dance. It's like awesome. I love doing that.
వదలాలండి షాదీలో ఒక
Oh my god, what's like your power side?
You mean my power? Or this power? You're looking like a stenographer.
I know. I know you'll tell me that only. My god, yaar.
ఇట్లా టైప్ 1 టైప్ 2 అనేది టైపిస్ట్ దొరకడు అన్నారు కానీ టైపిస్ట్ కాదు బైకర్ దొరికాడు.
అంతే. Okay. That. She's sleeping, yeah. That mom that medicine.
Played so much.
I know, I saw, but see, I told no. I know she has the body. Come.
Bye bye.
Mom, pay your mom. She's laughing.
What is it, Naisha? What is it? What is it?
We'll see, mom.
Actually, this was one of the good hotels here in Hyderabad, right? Now it's gone down. Looks nice, but
Ay, Buddha. Nice. We need that right now.
you need it right now.
I definitely need it.
If you want a free birthday party, I can give you today. The second birthday someone.
बच्चे का है शर्म कर थोड़ा.
Oh, this is a surprise. I didn't know this. You people arrange so much of decoration for me.
You know how much we love you, man.
This is too much of love towards me.
अब
Oh, that is Vachis. Vachis or Vachis?
वो actually wrong board लगा दिया उन्होंने.
Oh, change the board. Put Riman Kota on the board.
You are so creative. Do something.
Okay, let's change the name. Pluck.
Mom, come 1 minute. Nothing happened. But there was no stage.
Yeah, actually, this is where Shujan's engagement happened. Exactly this hall.
Actually, water.
She's super. She's observing everything.
Okay, new system, you need to scan this and then order.
Yeah. Phone.
Yum yum. 8-5 only.
Want to give her rice? It will be nice. Want to remove it?
We did not order anything yet. I think Pooja ordered some starters and all, but this you have to try if you come to Marigold. Sorry, Mekong. These are, I think, prawn chips. They smell like prawns, but they're amazing. I think I'll give it like 9.5 out of 10. Actually 10 out of 10. Very good. They have a little bit tint of prawn smell, but the taste is amazing.
How was the food so far?
It was decent.
What did you order?
I don't remember so many things I've ordered. The names
You ordered
are very Asian.
two things, one fish and one chicken.
We had khao suey soup. It was very good.
All the names are very complicated once again, as usual. So one chicken was shoei chicken, something like that. Pooja was saying that it is a little bit salty. Overall rating, how much will you give?
The chicken? For chicken, I'll give a 6.5. For fish, I'll give it an 8.
Only 5.
Mom likes her food only.
Only 5. Mom wants her papanam only. I will give it overall maybe 7 on 10.
Around
We got the bill, but whoever guesses correct, they should pay it.
Okay. Totally fine. 354. 354.
354, what is that? 3,500.
4.
Where?
Around 4. Should be around 4.
Both are wrong. Both are wrong. Yes.
Come and take a picture. It's nice. No, all of us. यहाँ खड़ेंगे.
Actually, birthday khatam. Let's go home. Khatam. Birthday khatam.
Next, if I get my gift, then it's gonna be a mug coming like this.
I got it in the car itself.
Okay, how was the dinner?
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, food was okay.
Dinner was only 6.
Yeah, exactly.
10 में 6.
Bill was so very big, Mercedes level में था, but taste is like okay, maybe 6 out of 10. Except the soup and those chips.
Was
Prawn
fine.
chips was very good. Except that the main course was very okay, basic.
Yours was okay, yeah, main course. But your starters could have been a lot better. They were a little salty.
Dumplings, so
Margaret, we're coming next.
Only 4.
That is आज बहुत लोग दे रहे rating. Actually rating राजा तो तू है, but we are also giving today.
actually we should start a separate blog, not a vlog, a blog that is only about rating. Domain name is gonna be
Rating Raja.
.com. सबसे ज़्यादा fun Naisha had.
I'm happy
Always.
because Naisha, yeah, she
Always.
loves going out and she
Even
loves running.
Goa, she had the
Yeah, she had the max
most
fun.
amount of fun.
Half of us were sick with a cold in Goa.
10 on 10. She
Yeah,
was so excited.
Naisha was very excited. She loves
I
running
enjoyed
around.
a lot.
That is because the stupid COVID, no, everyone is confined at home. But when she goes out like this, she gets really excited.
So, Rating Raja, how was your birthday?
My birthday was sick, as in
Huh?
for me, like the feeling cold. Actually, it's much better now. Once we came out, sitting at home all the time from morning since last 2 days, I think I felt more sick because I'm used to going out so much. Because I
know
sat
that.
at home now 2 days, I was feeling sick. But now, after coming out, feeling this Hyderabadi air, I'm feeling much better now. And how was my overall birthday? It was different this time.
What do you mean by different?
Every time we go for dinners, we do all that, but this time also we went for dinner. So nothing different.
What's different? That's what I'm asking.
I'll tell you what was different. I was sick this time. That is the difference.
एक कोल्ड है, तुम लोग लड़के लोग क्यों रोते हैं कोल्ड के लिए?
अरे see, serious I'm telling you, no.
Become like
Fever.
a small puppy. कोल्ड हुए तो.
Fever I can take. Typhoid also I can take. High fever also I can take. Cold somehow. None of us, not even my dad. We are all like we get really sick when we get cold. Zero energy. Actually I'm also recovering now. I think I'm fine. Otherwise I cannot talk like this.
Exactly. You're just fine. कुछ नहीं हुआ तेरे को.
Yeah, I'm perfect. Tomorrow say we can start riding the bikes again. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I have to go and get my Tiger. It's ready, it seems. So
Yeah,
everything
and
is
shop
sub
for
ho
me.
gaya.
And shop for
Everything
my
is good
birthday.
and shop for your birthday. if you're gonna come out and shop for you.
No, यार कल ऑफिस है.
Office, back to office. I'm always in office. I'll be office.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, तेरा तो मस्त है ऑफिce. सबका जॉब in their own ways मुश्किल होनी, but it's up to you how you do it, how you take it.
वो बाय जब अंदर बाय जब तो
You don't have to show up in that उसमें.
फैमिलीज को
Nice.
Yo, what's up guys? कैसे हो?
Good drive. Now I'll officially say that Varna feels much better in terms of driving. Driving or sitting as a passenger. Seriously. That is to do with the body roll, and I don't like body roll. Seltos mein there's a lot of body roll. I'll get a copyright. I'll get a copyright. You're not singing so well, so I'll not get a copyright.
बस
Chalo, I think I'm done with the day. बहुत हो गया birthday video बोल के. I think I'll end the video here. And a special thanks to all the people who have taken great initiative on my behalf and started planting trees and all that. Really great. Even I'm gonna do it. And once again, thanks to the page Sriman Kutaro_memes, the admin of this page. I don't know if I can take his name, but he made all these things possible. Thank you so much, buddy. I think I'll end this video here. But without hitting the like button, don't leave, because Sriman is not feeling well today, but still I thought I'll just go with my family, have dinner, spend some personal time with them and come back. But how can I do that? I share a part of my life with you guys and I cannot stop doing that. So yes, this is the vlog. Hope you guys have liked it. Hit the like button, do share, do subscribe, do comment, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Once again, happy birthday to me.